afternoon. My name is Scott Rutherford, Chief Strategic Officer at T3Live.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎收看今天的直击美股，我是主持人张叔，在纽约向您问好。周二美股下跌，我们看到今天三大股指下跌超过1%，主要原因是由于生物制药板块以及医疗健康板块是使得整体的大盘走势非常的低迷。而在上一周美国总统的辩论结束之后呢，最新的民调显示，民主党领先共和党，成为当前民调一个比较偏好的一个赢家。因此，这样的一个消息呢，也是使得医疗板块承压的主要原因。而在明天，由于美联储将要公布9月份的会议纪要，因此相信明天的市场将会围绕着这一消息来进行交易。因为在9月份的时候，虽然美联储决定维持当前的利率不变，但是其实投票的结果是比较挣扎的，因为有10名的美联储官员要支持维持利率不变，但是有3名的联储官员是支持加息。因此，这样子的一个3名的联储官员这样的一个数量呢，也是超过了此前的一个分歧。因此，当前的一个美联储官员对于美国的经济状况究竟如何看待，也是成为了市场关注的一个重点。好的，更多的消息让我们来看一下今天的交易员访谈。Hi Scott, your stocks traded sharply lower today, and people are saying that investors are unsure what to do right now. And today we did break a very key important level, which is 2142. So how do you think about today's move?
I think that if you're a short-term active trader looking for upside, today was a day to clean up positions. Today was also a day where maybe some people who were looking to get short tested the waters a little bit, because for the first time they looked pretty vulnerable, and they didn't close on lows, but if you look here at the S&P cash, you will see that some of the range was engulfed. Okay, we talked about this really tight pennant, okay, where yesterday it couldn't get above the 50-day moving average, and now today it broke below the 8 and 21-day moving average. And it's been below it a lot of times, so it's been very, very choppy, but it also broke below 2144. Okay, so at this particular point, you know, this has trapped a lot of this range. So I think it is vulnerable, and we'll see what happens if it wants to retest this 2118. It's not too far away. You know, if you were playing for a move to get above and go, that's off the table for now until something changes. So if you were playing for it to break this to the downside, this is your spot as a trader to be short a little bit and figure out if it could stay below this for some downside follow through, probably, you know, to perhaps the 200-day, which is, you know, about what, 70 handles below, or 50 handles below.
Okay, according to the newest polls released by Wall Street Journal and also NBC, Democratic is the preferred party to lead the Congress, and that news weighed on the biotech, and which means biotech seems to be the broken names we should avoid right now.
I didn't touch the biotechs once. And if you look yesterday, they started being vulnerable. And if you look here, playing by the rules of below the 8 and 21 day, you'll see that the bios, okay, which gave you a red dog reversal up here. Remember this? When it made a high and failed right there? Well, here's a lower high, another lower high, another lower high, another lower high. And here's where it's below all the moving averages. And this is one of the first groups to, you know, get below a weekly low. So at this point, it's still a vulnerable sector, and it's doing a whole lot of nothing. You have the tech sector at highs, you have the S&P 20 handles off highs, and you have this, you know, below every moving average. So you have to be a little bit careful, because the Democrats are going after price fixing. They're going after, you know, some of these biotech companies or pharmaceuticals or healthcare. So at this point, you know, avoid or maybe be short. Those who have been shorting into strength are making money. Now the question is, can they get a little downside follow through?
Tech sector had its first down day, and until yesterday, we are very positive about Apple. And also, in your morning note, you mentioned that you're going to long like Apple, Google. So how does you change your plan during the day?
Well, listen, I came in long Apple, Google, and Facebook. They all acted really well. So what you do is you want to manage your positions. I've also been long Apple since like 113, 114. So if you read my Twitter sphere, I said I will be selling and get lighter above 118. And if it can't hold gains and forms a topping tail, I'll probably revisit. So if you look here at Apple, okay, that's basically what happened. Apple has given you a really nice move from here. Okay, double bottom, took this out, and then created a nice bull flag. I've been listing it every single day. Yesterday was your day to add to it, and then today it opened up, so hopefully you sold some strength. And then when it couldn't hold above a prior day's high and went almost red, I got out of it, because look how far it is away from the 8-day and the 21-day. So you want to buy it when it's involved, and then on the breakout, and then, you could always buy some back. So I would say, let's see what happens tomorrow with Apple. As far as Google, I was playing for it to break above and break out, but the market didn't let it. I came in long from here. Okay, I did add when it tried to get above this momentum level. The momentum level was 817. It couldn't hold. So I got out of the way. Now we'll see if it could hold here, go sideways, let the market digest, and then continue to the upside. Same thing for Facebook. Facebook also, if you play for momentum, it looked as if it was going to break out above this, was green for most of the day, and then didn't hold that. So that got me out because I was saying if it can get above this, maybe it goes to highs, but it didn't. Intermediate-wise, if you've been long Facebook for multiple months, doesn't really matter. If you're playing for 1 to 3 day moves, this engulfing bar has to get you a little bit cautious.
就像 Scott 所说的那样，今天的一个行动呢，让我们要更谨慎的去看涨今天的股票。明天再见。